So chicken salad, I think everyone loves. Now, I love it with a good mayonnaise. You could do olive oil too if you wanted to hold off on the mayonnaise. You could also throw some vinegars in there. But the key here is if you love mayonnaise, you just get a better mayonnaise. So one of my favorites is avocado oil mayonnaise. I like the Primal Kitchen brand. You'll find that Primal Kitchen brand. It's going to be healthier ingredients. They make mustard, ketchups, mayonnaise, all sorts of condiments. So I use this.
And what makes this healthier? So, I think this is really a critical point in our dialogue today. What did they do differently than maybe some other mayonnaise? And yeah, it's still mayonnaise.
It's still mayonnaise, so I think people get really hung up on the fat. The fat grams, the protein grams, the carb grams, none of that matters. We need those things. It just depends on the quality. And I think the easiest way to explain it, when you give your body good ingredients, it knows what to do. It doesn't have to figure out what are you putting in my body. So what makes this better is it's better ingredients. You can actually pronounce everything. First ingredient is avocado oil. Then we have organic eggs, organic egg yolks, organic vinegar.
Most mayonnaise is made with some type of cheap corn oil or some type of vegetable oil. And so this is using avocado. Now, I did a couple tricks that maybe Kristen doesn't even know about because as she came in, I got some of this prepared. But I cooked, these are thighs. You could use breast, you could use thighs. And then I used chicken broth. So chicken broth adds a little more flavor. You could use water. But I put in garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And that just gave the chicken a little bit more flavor. And I really like cooking or boiling dark meat for my chicken salad. I love
dark meat chicken salad. Yeah, you just poach it in some broth and it adds some really good flavor. So you don't even have to add as much mayonnaise. And then to make this gourmet,
okay, back to
or
gourmet.
To upgrade, we're going to add some grapes. Sometimes I like to throw in dried cherries. But then you have all the components. You have sweet and savory and all sorts of the flavors that we love. So we'll throw in some grapes. And then I like some walnuts for a little crunch. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you could make another version with pickles and mayonnaise and celery if you wanted.
And one of our favorites in the cookbook is with rice and curry, and it's a little more complex, but that's got an amazing flavor. Using chicken salad as just a nice lunch. Maybe it's something that you can pack on the go. Your kids will like this. And again, if they don't like grapes or if they don't like walnuts, then we add some different items in there. So this is our ultimate chicken salad, and we're going to use lettuce kind of as the lettuce cup, or we could use sprouted bread, or you could get a sprouted wrap, or again, making upgrades. Crackers.
I love just chicken salad with some good crackers.
And one of the things I like is I like to take a nice bread, maybe a baguette, and then I put an apple, a green apple, a little sour, and then maybe a little fresh jam, and then I put some type of cheese on it, and then you bake it. Again, it's
like an open face.
Open face. Again, making simple upgrades.